cutaways.
The interesting thing is a lot of people come to this course thinking, okay, you know, it's straightforward. You do more science and government policy will listen to that science, and just it's a linear pathway. But it's not. It's so not. For example, mandatory bike helmet laws. Now, on one side, there's some straightforward science from, say, brain surgeons or trauma surgeons, and they're saying, of course, put a bike helmet on, it saves you enormously when you're riding a bike. But then you get different science from a different group of scientists. You'll see them saying, well, actually, if you're forcing people to wear a bike helmet, people are less likely to ride bikes. Less likely to ride bikes, and that makes the population less healthy. Now, I don't have the final say in any of that, but I do know that there are different strands of evidence pointing in different directions, and so it's kind of tricky for government to make decisions about these sorts of things. What we're trying to explore is how we can do it better. So the first part of the course, we're focusing on theories and tools that we can understand politics and understand how science interacts with politics and policy. The second part is we explore a number of concrete issues. Students will start that by looking at the literature each week, then they'll hear from an expert, and then they'll boil it down into their own opinion pieces. They're a crucial thing that people who work in the field of science communication may be asked to write. It's a crucial place where we argue about what we should do in society, where students are asked to actually marshal ideas and come to a point. You know, the complex issues that were in today's society is great. So climate change, energy, those kinds of things, they're great. But the sci-fi stuff, where, you know, it's what could happen if aliens contact us, you know, or what happens if we develop super intelligent AI that can, you know, solve all of our problems or become totally evil. What should we do about them? You know, they're the kinds of questions that we don't have a lot of political discussion about, but this is a space where we can play and think, okay, how should a government respond to this kind of stuff?